Hello guys, welcome back to my show. I hope you all can fine. So today I'm gonna tell you again the pair letters of the ABC. Here the children or the kids can enjoy this method and learn ABC very easily. And I think it's the best way. So here you will find the O. Where is O? Here I found it. Okay, where is A? I know everybody knows the A for apple. A for apple. Where is apple? Here. Yeah. Okay, where is N? N for nest. N for something else you can say. Here. Where is T? T. Here. Where is I? I. Here. I found it. Yahoo! Where is P? P. Here. Yahoo! Where is W? W for watch. Yeah. S. Where is S? Sounds like the snake. S. Here. Where is I? I for ice cream. Yummy. X, chemical X. The Powerpuff Girls, the best cartoons, Yeah. Wow, we have done very well. So I'll again meet you in the next level. So best of luck. Bye.